This is example number 14. A square prism with side of base 40 mm and axis 65 mm long is resting with an edge of its base on HP, such that the rectangular faces containing that edge is inclined at 60 degrees to HP. Draw the projections of the prism when its axis is parallel to VP. So here also we have a square prism, 40 mm base side and 65 mm axis height, but it is now resting on an edge on the HP, and the edge belongs to the base. So as we have seen in the introduction part of this section, that prisms will have longer edges and base edges. So here we are talking about the base edge of its base. So that means the upper base or the bottom base will have four edges, as it is a square prism, and one of them is resting on the HP, and it is in such a way that it's it's inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the HP. So the rectangular face of that edge is inclined at 60 degree to the HP. That means this is the case of a square prism inclined to HP. So we have to draw its projections, and also the axis should be parallel to VP. So we will see now how to imagine this first. Now you see that on your screen the square prism is directly standing on the horizontal plane, which means it is being perpendicular to HP. But in this question it is given that it is inclined to the HP. So I have to make it inclined with the HP first. You see that now? Now it is being inclined to HP. The front view will be a tilted rectangle, as you can see here. If I erase the planes, so this is going to be your front view, which is very easy, and from the top this will look something like this. And for drawing this, we will first assume that the square prism is resting on the HP itself.
As I have mentioned that first we have to assume the square prism to be standing on the horizontal plane. So I will draw the first front view and top view, assuming that it is standing on the horizontal plane. So if it is standing on the horizontal plane, its top view and front view will be square and a rectangle, as shown in question number 12. Observe that I am drawing this with 2H pencil, very light, because this is not the solution, this is just part of the solution, and we are drawing this to get the dimensions. So this is our XY line again. This is 65 mm height. So our assumption that the square pyramid standing on HP, its front view and top view is completed. Now when coming to the question, it is mentioned that it is inclined to 60 degree to HP. So first I need to draw the axis line from anywhere from here. First marking the point, then taking the angle to be 60 degree. So this axis line is completed. So now I have to just tilt this rectangle here, copy this rectangle here. So this width, as you know, is 40. I have to set the drafter aligned with this angle, that is 60 degree with the horizontal plane. And 40 means, as you know, again this is very important, the first line of any inclined figure. See that I have fixed this drafter inclined with this axis, and now I have matched this 20 mm here, 40 mm to the XY line, so that if I draw this line of 40 mm, the base of this square prism will get completed, and from there onwards you can just easily complete the front view. This is 40 mm base, 65 mm height, from there also 40 mm, and hence our front view is completed. Now to get the top view projections, from the front view. So to get the shapes which are visible from here and here, I need to mark some points here. I will say 1, 2, 3 and 4, which means that 1 dash and 2 dash will appear here, 3 dash and 4 dash will appear here. This means this corner edges 3 dash and 4 dash, this is 1 dash and 2 dash. So I need to match the first point, point number 1 from here and here, point number 2, this is the center point, okay, the point number 3, 3 is here, and 4, point number 1 from here again, same points, I'll mark 1 dash, 2 dash here also, 3 dash, 4 dash, 3 and 4. Observe that only this face will be visible from the top view, but not this face. That is why I will just darken this portion. So these are just 2 rectangles which are visible from the top view. Hence our diagram is completed. This was exercise number 14, and the dimensioning, we need to dimension the axis height. Mm. And the base side 40 mm.
So this is the final solution of your example number 14. When the square prism is making an angle with respect to HP, you will see a rectangle in this fashion, and this is the top view, and this top view depends on the angle which is given in the question.